Hello and welcome back to PA Academy. So we are currently looking at the different method of AC controller. In the previous part of this video, we looked at the phase angle control, and right here we want to look at the integral circle control, which is also called the on-off control. I think it should be 2F. All right. So this is what the circuit diagram looks like. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram, and then this is the waveform. This right here is the waveform. All right. So you see that unlike in the phase angle control where the where the AC wave is being moved at some part of the waveform, unlike like on this place now you can see it just go down here, goes up here again. Okay, but here for the integral, you can see from the circuit idea, you say the SCR or triarc allows full circle of AC to pass for some times and block it for the remaining circle. All right, so this is the period where it allows it to pass, as this here, and this here is where it is being blocked. So in the explanation there, it says supply is applied for N poles of circle, which is the on, and then disconnected for M's circle, which is the off state. All right, so this is the off period and this is the on side. So the output power is controlled by varying the on and off ratio, also called the burst firing control. So what are the places we find this AC control applicable? AC controller applicable, that's for integral. We find it applicable in industrial heater, temperature control system, and a whole lot of other systems anyway. So in summary, if we are to look at the integral circle control and then the phase angle control, we can just conclude that the phase angle control, there is partial conduction in each of those circles, like you can see here. So you see that there's partial conduction in each of those circles, like this part now, is not included. Here is off, here is off. Okay, but in the integral circle control, you can see that full circles. Okay, full circle switch between the on and then the off, as you can see in the waveform here. All right, so that is all for this video on integral circle control. Thank you.